first time kadang shuyo ban penlong hang ni hapo Meghalaya jengi lalong iblapan kre bro am tasi banyak kenter dah excited bante na yun
One of the best event of motocross in Shillong.
Okay, so hello Paralok. Very good evening to all of you guys. The Piapet step. Good morning. Mensengi. Good afternoon. Bajan me. Good evening. Anyways, mentakas ni niyo bangin yalet banpet ya ka national supercross ka national level ka bala pelong mentah po boy hang tia po madan kur kalang ka madan basyet yale ya kan ka cherry blossom but kiwi ki tamasa ne ki nono ki program ye ki ba kham hepat de mentah kasian kawan kan ka MRF Mogrib National Supercross Championship 2026 ka ba first time kadang shuyo ban penlong hang ni hapo Meghalaya jengi kalong ke ka sultanat yangi ki sultanat ban pe ya kini ki motocross ki supercross ban kino ki motorsports related event mentah bang yo ya kan ka lat bangin lek bangin witness ya ka extreme action rokodan sakani ka way ka FMX kani ka rukamnya bike bakin ni kenti hasun bakin nya freestyle ye ti kalong ke ba sultanat banyo ban pet ya katuru ti mentah ringkat ban ngajon i bro jong ai Greg. Hi Greg.
Hi.
De ha kumno pisngo ya kani ka singi mentah ka singi mo bangiyo bangin pet ya ka national event kani ka race
Sutenan, we ka peneng ka nong internet. De sutenan baru mempat cui community charge. Meno first time mentah.
De ngilai poi mentah hang ni hapo yu hakani ka shnong hang ne de ngatrai ngin hape nyawa no sakajaka parking ni ai. Chal. Let's go bro, let's go. Siapa ang box office? Oh, kata kita ke box office. Just really hope akan nangdan ke tiket VIP nama ba. Kat kum ke website te VIP ticket so loud. Oh, there I can see some familiar faces. Dawan. VIP. Ya. Oh, bok ni dan tidur. Ai lah penmale di website dia kana la lut ka VIP.
Lalut Nishna biang bukas kibreu ki kwa VIP lot.
Okey dah.
Nishna biang mentan dang yok syuki. Ring lah close.
Okey. Ai artel lai mah. Kanum ti? Sanspa. Sanfli? Artel lai.
You bought or what?
Hi bro, Bonsi.
Hi my brother. How are you?
How are you? I'm good man. You kept the stall here?
Yeah, we have stall there.
Okay. We'll see you around then.
Yeah, see you.
See you. Eh, kublay ma. Dawan, thank you.
Oi, ta boss.
So gini kita ke VIP tiket tentang ilayo ngin shwa sabar bangin nya di sha shwa ma. Nya di sha shwa. So I'll be back with you guys in a while when peni fees ya ka scene sport kalau kom bang lah komen yang atia. Sim ni sim. Tak boleh. Bat Greg. So this is how the field looks like. Ter kita ngatrai ki VIP parking. Di kani hang ni kadi ka entry sa stadium. Okay, so ni apa yang ni kidan gini ki dukan. Oh, bitu. Kani di throttle culture. Yes, what do you need, sir? What do you need?
I won't be here for long. I have a lot of work pending.
Okay.
Sometimes just little bit exposure.
So you'll be winding up the whole shop when you leave.
Yeah.
Okay then man.
Chalo, I'll see you around bro.
Yes,
Chalo, thank you.
Hello bro. Making some shoots. Yeah. I'm doing a vlog bro.
Hi.
What's up? This is Bansi
Hi guys.
from Throttle Culture, Kiting Road, and he's having a store here. pet kini Tiger TR T3 mo
Yeah, T3.
T3 kini gidi MX boots bro kini hangi MX boots sudah finyala pergi jersey jong kini besile motocross si riding jacket kini jong karis tetar kita ki goggles si right. Oh, this fender, how much is this fender? How much? 1500. Is this flexible?
Yeah.
Can you just do one flip? Yeah. Full it. You're afraid it'll break. So, okay, 1500. Bro, this will be available in your main store as well, huh? Okay.
The rear fender.
Cocktail rides.
Cocktail rides.
RIDES.
Oh, cocktail rides.
Yes. Hi guys. Really stoked to see you guys perform today. I've never witnessed FMX ever in my life. I think 90% of these people here hasn't even witnessed FMX. Yeah. Rock the stage. Rock the stage. Jaga bodoh. I'm so stoked to be able to talk to those FMX guys. They kitu sia kin sawan kin sia penher ki baik ki jongki kin sia shat pulun hasun. Di PCR pinsi tementa kalajan sedang menta round 1 lajan sedang. New participant jong ka local category bro ti komno filasko lalong iblapan kre bro am sini banyak kenter.
Lampiang ni cerai.
Ha?
Lah, krek
Te fiso no so confident hado kan om ta kasi ya karies.
Wah, so confident ni kembala praktis kita.
La praktis dai hada ha. Te dan ni am naki para baya compete befiso cup ban beat.
Ni kata tem tip ra.
Ben ai mo. Whole shot bitch ben mah. All the best bro.
Thank you bro.
Ni kan ni via punya root bahaya unit ya. All the best bro. Bye bye.
Bye bro.
Ini belak kailang. Oh, ta ya. Ta.
Mah.
Bye bye. All the best. Ni layo balan tis pang. Menta kalong very awkward, very silent for menta. Ya cik liam do. Bang khoi riders ya. Subun kini ki beriu sini ki bawan Shabar jangka state because kini menta ni kadikan national level. Don't think so dah spectators yo bandung sini support. Okay. Cat. Situ mio bandung nama bakal datang ka jaka jo kini ki riders te peti tika plane kadang take off. Aje kali cepo Calcutta tarai. What's up bro? Apa Islam?
Spoiler dari kuno bilang kanya.
Biang TikTok.
Cocktail. Maaf, video. Nice.
Run.
Oh, biang bro. Ya, perlak tu.
Yeah, kamu official feel lang mentah kasi.
Biang bro.
Yeah, how do you feel about the mekanika MRF
I'm very
mentah kasi?
excited because the first time in Shillong. We
Okay,
have
national
the
event mo.
MRF Mogrib
Okay, ta.
National Spokers.
Okay.
Nice.
Ta, ciao.
Okay.
See you guys. Mo. So mentang ida nak ni acak kasong mentang. Di right laban ni. Di ina yang up mentang ya ka game bahkan sedang banyo nomor bar nak sudah bi attempt di ban ni. Di ben mentang laban ni. Phang nga try nga kalaban sedang no da kati ka FMX kati freestyle motocross na nga ki Arnold kidai kita ki panle freestyle ngamlong than bahala number ba le bon ba de bre ki baya shang nya barakai mantang ni la yang menyerang ka national anthem Jaya hai Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Ja
All right. Good evening, Shillong. Welcome to the MRF Women Supercross FMSCI National Championship, round number 1 coming to your city of Shillong.
Come on, let's go, let's go. Parang keren deh. Bigi crowd hone gile long ya kami shit na marpa kadang day first time ba ya yo banyak witness gini kita stunts sini ya berat lagi isi beliau lantang Mantap, Bantay Dango Nakano, Bantay, our home hero. Tang. Damn! Number 10. Oh, Bantay na yun. Penimpang na. Ano lang gila. Tao Matay. Ke kelas keberang sudah mentan mana dari sebantai ke kelas ke bakam hai SX1 ne koptahi de sa correct me if I'm wrong de katu mentan udang sukio bande ke premier class yong no de ka ayo ubon laban be pas wala tarun long basau de let's hope that he riding on this class right now he'll be able to hello bro he'll be able to show some good performance for us and then wishing him well. Kini dibuat dengan selong gini, dibuat sudah gini. Buat dengan selong sudah gini. Buat dengan selong. Tang ni kena fight Hero versus TVS. Factory racing, factory juga Hero, maka factory juga TVS.
good of quite entertainment shot. Lihat banyak borok ni.
Ihun yang komensi yang berklub song hayang.
Oh, hun pala ni.
This is Yuan di last video fly besar jungi Presiden jong ka MOBB di one pe kai dah kasih one slam. Why you so late sir?
Come to sir.
Titi bantai. Bhai. Bantai. God bless Meghalaya. Ba Philip. Bye. Kumno vismo yang karya sa.
Biang itrat pala. Import mo menu. Finally, gijomatay sa comment niya on the national level.
National level and long chance, long ibang hari.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Ah,
Kendo menta ya way na national champion pat jong ka downhill motorcycle. Oh, sorry, mountain biking. Mountain biking ti nakwaban kli na uniu bay jingi. Kendo fisngo ba piyo ban witness ya ka the most exciting,
One of the best
biggest event jong motorsports ha kani kam. Meghalaya jingi.
So commence siya 1 point event. Nomor ba ngiyo ban witness ki local riders jangi ki national riders na taking international na Shabar. They are one of the best event of motocross in Shillong in India right now. They so commence siya dan dia. Bakom juru kendo ini rider jangi. Ponam ha Shillong.
Mansan. Bila makan tu overall? Sekian. Bayi niru Kasimo. Walakai. Lokal bayi. Thank you. Niru lama. Uturu lajab nang bahas.
Dia kedua guys, mah
Dia kenduk guys.
Like.
Kini visiat ingin kenduk baik.
yes, like subscribe channel Jumni Boss.
Sa kan mau support ini bayi semua follow Instagram Aaron Kharpuri
31.
new guy. Sebut ke link apa description tambah this guy really is the baddest MF. Hey, another daddy. Bye.
Ma,
Tak bye si kenduk.
bye.
Funky. Amdian up. How was the race, man? Ni fitness malah jong ni semua like dot baru day.
Hey bro.
Dang yang fi. Ba, nang you guys stay. Ba Philip ba. How was the experience, bro?
It was very good, man. Like crazy experience for me. It was the first time.
Okay. So you haven't witnessed any kind of motorsports like this? The very first time. Wow. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the excitement, the extreme actions here?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay then, bro. I hope you gonna witness some more of the extreme sports like this, man, in your
Yeah,
future.
hopefully, man.
Yes, bro. You will, bro.
Bisa pun dah lor mentasi.
Alor
Kalau betik sesok ni,
Alor mentasi kalau kai ke ba. Ba la best ba pelan namar ba. Human witness ya kan ka first ever national game, national motorsport game ni apa. Meghalaya mo. Pabun kini nong senior kita iba. Nong Meghalaya kibun ke batop pan nya. Motorsport.
Okay, so guys, ngelapoy hiyang mentah di ngala record kam kai plat ka kamera na do mene ba ka klam dap battery show ngasukwa ban ong mo ba ngastunan ba ya kani ka MRF Mogrip National Supercross Champion ka la penlong hang ni hapo Meghalaya ko play sibon but nganget scam ba ha Meghalaya jungi kin sedang dan show kum kiwe rapat ki judge motorsports event ki ban long ai Lat Island ti bahaya ki kena ki jongi ki samla ki jongi mo jong ni ka Meghalaya ka jongi kanang ba kinyo attraction ba but nga kamen ru ban yi ki babon kini ki local riders ki balai perform ba ki bon pelat ki ba ya pois khamat Di kat ba ka official results ngampai ya ngau reh dari pada di Jupit ya ka Instagram stories ke jongki but kat tu kat ni ke jingi ya ngau na ki kat tu kat ni ki paralog ti ki buan ki ba ya job skmat ngaku aru ba menur mah kumbangala batai ha ka previous kumbangala kan ha ka previous video jong ko previous video bangili syayo ujo ba menur bala ban le shapang ban uplift ya kan ka motorsports culture ya kan ka motorsports niche mah jong kan ka ri ke jungi ti tangkan ni hi ngin sia kendo pada kawai ke video ti nga comment plat ba nga yo witness kamtam ya ka ka FMX freestyle kato. Big shout out to Bantai namar ba Bantai nang surung ha ka to ka premier class, but he is showing that kind of performance which is very impressive, and congratulations for your new achievement di nang yai tray shitam ba kiwi riders ru nang yai tray shitam ni kiba support di PC angin support by halalai benta kembangila ingin sia kundu ye PC apart kiba ye pe yakani ki video pada hawai kapor. Until then, peace out, signing off. Cocktail Rides kasur kala kamset namal bala ha plat na do menya. Okay, good night.